Alright, this, boys and girls, is a little AC compressor off of a Kubota that pretty much tossed its cookies. You can see that it's just a little vane style, little clutch. There's the front cover, and the inside of it's pretty well chewed up. This is a Denso. It was on a Kubota M108. Just for those of you who are wondering, there's the shaft seal, and as you can see, it's not accessible from the outside, so if the compressor seal leaks, it's pretty much a throwaway item unless you want to do a complete tear down and overhaul.